Here I have a VIVO V3 Max, and let me show you how to activate this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following device. Let's choose here set up your phone. Here you need to choose your desired language. In my case, let me leave English. Let's choose the region. It could be India in my case. So here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because the Wi-Fi connection always enables a few interesting stuff. So let's choose your Wi-Fi and let's enter the password. Let me enter my password, and then if you are ready, let's choose connect, this key right here. Alright, let me do it. Let's now wait a few seconds until the connection will be ready. Here you can tap next and the phone is checking info. So let's wait for the sign in Google account panel, and let's wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see here, you can sign in into a Google account, and you can do this in two ways. You can create a new account right here, or you can use the existing Google account. Here you can also skip it, but Google account enable a few interesting stuff, so it's a good idea to connect your device with your Google account. Let's enter the email. Then if you are ready, let's tap go, choose next. Let's wait a few seconds. And the welcome panel of the HardReset.Info pops up. Let's just enter the password to my Google account. Tap go if you are ready. Let me enter the password one more time. Just wait a few seconds. Alright, choose go again, right here. Wait a couple of seconds. Here let me tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Tap I agree. The device is checking info, so it's good to wait a couple of seconds. And here you can set up payment information. You can tap no thanks and just skip it, so let me gonna do it. Now you've got a couple of good services. Here you can enable or disable backup your phone apps, app data. You can use Google's location service, help improve location services, and help improve your Android experience. Let me leave all of those services enabled. Tap more and next. And here let me skip the following accounts and synchronization, so let me gonna do it. Let me tap next to the services and tap use now. So that's it, you just activate your device. That's done, everything went well. Now you can start using your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.